Have mathematics quadratic equation by completing the square method. In my last video that I posted, I explained how to use completing the square method to solve quadratic equation. Now I want to give an example of how to apply what I explained earlier on my video. Here now says solve the following by completing the square method. 4x squared plus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. X squared minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. Solution. You have 4x squared plus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. The first thing you do, take the constant the other side. This is the constant, the one without letter. 4x squared plus 8x equals to 1 plus 3 crosses this side to be minus 3. That's the first thing. The second rule says that if the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1, divide through by that coefficient. So here, 4 is greater than 1, so we will divide through by 4 to have what now? 4x squared divided by 4 plus 8x divided by 4 equals to minus 3 divided by 4. So if you do this will give you x squared plus 2x equals to minus 3 over 4. Now, after you have divided through by 4, this is what you have. The next half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x here is what? Plus 2. Half of it times it by half. It will give you 1. Square it. Add it to both sides. So now you have x squared plus 2x plus 1 all squared equals to minus 3 over 4 plus 1 all squared. So combine these two now. Combine these two, you have x plus 1 all squared equals to, you have minus 3 over 4 plus 1. Now, you now have this. Now, simplify this side. You have x plus 1 all squared is equals to minus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 1. LCM this side is 4. 4 divide this 4, 1. 1 times minus 3 plus 1 divide this 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Then what we have here is 1 over 4. Then bring down this x plus 1 all squared. Then you now take square root of both sides, or you see square this side, take square root of both sides now. Take square root of both sides equals to square root. This side you assume whether it will assume plus or minus to this side. Then this will cancel out with this. We will now have x plus 1 equals to square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, then plus or minus 1 over 2. Then move this one this side, you now have x equals to 1 crosses this side, minus 1 plus or minus 1 over 2. You now separate it and to have x equals to minus 1 plus 1 over 2, and the x equals to minus 1 minus 1 over 2. So solve this one now. X equals to minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. X equals to LCM 2. 2 times this minus 2 plus 1. 1 times this 1. X equals to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 over 2. So this now you have x equals to minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. Then put all over 1 to make it a fraction. You now have LCM here is 2. 1 divided 2. 2 times this is minus 2. Here 1. 1 times this is 1. Then You say x equals to what now? Minus 2 minus is what? Minus 3 over 2. Therefore, our x now is what? Minus 1 over 2 and minus 3 over 2. So, second question now say x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. Then the first rule is take the constant this side. X squared minus 6x is equals to minus 8. If plus 8 crosses this side, minus 8. Now, since the coefficient of x here, x squared here is 1, you won't divide both sides by 1, because if you divide both sides, if you divide 2 by 1, you will still get the same thing. So jump the second step, enter the third step. The third step say, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 6. Half of it is what? Minus 3. Square it. Add it to both sides. You now add x squared minus 6x plus minus 3 squared equals to minus 8. Minus 8 plus minus 3 squared. So now combine these two now to have x minus 3 all squared. If you expand this, you will go back to this. So equals to minus 8. Square this 9 in what? 9. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give you plus 9. Alright. Then solve here and you have x minus 3 equals to this, and this will give you what? 1. Then take square root of both sides out. You say x minus 3 equals to plus or minus square root 1. Then square root this side. To remove this square root, you will have this. So now we have x minus 3 is equals to plus or minus 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Then we now say x, move this 3 this side, equals to 3 minus 3 crosses plus 3. We now separate it. X equals to 3 plus 1 and x equals to 3 minus 1. Then solve it. X 3 plus 1 will give you what? This 3 plus 1, x equals to 4. And the second one say x equals to 3 minus 1, x equals to what? 2. Therefore now x equals to 4 and 2.